Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best STEM projects is probably one of the most rewarding hobbies you can pick up. These projects offer a fantastic opportunity to dive into the fascinating world of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. They are perfect for anyone looking to challenge their minds, learn new skills, or simply enjoy the satisfaction of creating something tangible. From building robots to coding software, the possibilities are endless and the learning experience is invaluable. Number 5. National Geographic Rock Tumbler Kit. With this kit, you can easily turn ordinary rocks into sparkling gemstones. The simple operation and durable design make it fun for everyone. It's a fantastic way to create your own dazzling treasures. This high-quality tumbler is built to last, featuring a durable motor. The leak-proof rubber barrel also reduces noise, making it much quieter than other models. It's a great STEM activity for kids. The kit includes everything you need to get started: the tumbler, polishing grits, a sifter, rough gemstones, and a detailed learning guide. It's a complete package, perfect for a gift. The simple instructions and one-touch settings make rock tumbling easy and fun. You can set the timer and let it run, with an automatic shut-off feature. It's a great gift for kids. This product is developed by Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award. They focus on fostering education and creativity. They also have a US support team to ensure a great experience. What we like. This rock tumbler kit lets you create your own dazzling gemstones. It's designed to be durable and quiet, ensuring a smooth experience. If you're looking for a fun and educational project that yields beautiful results, this is a great choice for geology enthusiasts of all ages. What people say. It's sturdy and doesn't seem like it will break. It has a handy feature where you can set it for up to 7 days and it'll tell you how many days are left, great for a kid. The little sieve that comes with the kit is very handy. Number 4. ELEGOO Mega R3 Ultimate Starter Kit. This is the ELEGOO Mega R3 Starter Kit. It's designed to be the most complete kit available, perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to get started with your projects. Inside, you'll find over 200 components. This premium quality kit is compatible with the Arduino IDE, offering a wide range of possibilities for your projects. The kit comes with a PDF tutorial on CD, featuring over 35 lessons. It guides you through various projects, making it easy to learn and experiment. It includes an LCD 1602 module and a GY521 sensor module with pin headers. You don't need to solder them yourself, saving you time and effort. The kit comes in a nice package with a clear component listing. It also includes a small box to keep widgets like LEDs, ICs, and buttons organized. We always care about the customer experience. We continuously improve the product function details to ensure the best possible experience for you. What we like. This Arduino starter kit provides everything you need to dive into electronics and programming. The included PDF tutorial offers clear guidance, making it easy to learn. If you are a beginner eager to explore the world of electronics and coding, this comprehensive kit is perfect for you. What people say. The kit comes with a Mega 2560 board and a huge variety of components like sensors, motors, LEDs, and more. The step-by-step guides are clear and easy to follow, which is really helpful for beginners. Projects are well detailed and easy to follow. Number 3. ELEGOO Uno R3 Smart Robot Car Kit V4. This is an educational STEM kit designed for beginners, especially kids. It provides hands-on experience in programming, electronics, and robotics. It's a great way to learn and have fun. The kit includes 24 different modules, such as obstacle avoidance and line tracing. You can even control it with your phone or tablet. It's a comprehensive package for learning robotics. All module interfaces use XH2.54 ports, making assembly easier and reducing errors. The design simplifies the building process. It's designed to be user-friendly. The kit comes with HD instructions to guide you through assembly. It includes all the necessary programs and codes. It's easy to follow along. The package has a minimalist design, making it a perfect gift. It's suitable for kids aged 8 and up. Basic electronic knowledge is helpful, and guidance is recommended for beginners. What we like. This smart robot car kit is designed to introduce kids to robotics, programming, and electronics. It comes with various modules and can be controlled via multiple methods. If you have kids who are curious about robotics and coding, this kit offers a fun and engaging way to learn. What people say. Everything about this project is well done, from the packaging, components are well labeled in separate boxes and baggies, to the documentation, printed and download. I was able to follow the included printed The included Uno clone is pre-programmed with all of the necessary functionality, so all you've got to do is power it on and choose the desired function via the IR remote. This is a great robot that works better than I had expected. It is fast and the FPV mode is a blast. There is a lot of potential with this little bot. The motors could support small payloads or additional modules without too much difficulty. The assembly was pretty easy aside from a few odd angles of illustrations in the manual that led to removing a few screws and making adjustments. There is a great slideshow of assembly I didn't find until after I had assembled it. You can find it in the seller's item description links. Also be sure to check out the links that have the app to control the robot. I made the mistake of listening to the manual and going to the Play Store and downloaded another ELEGOO app that controls the robot but isn't compatible with the camera. Number 2. Makeblock mBot Robot Kit, STEM Toy for Kids. This mBot robot kit is designed for kids aged 8 to 12 to explore electronics, robotics, and coding. It's a fun and interactive way to learn, progressing from scratch to Arduino programming. Building this kit is simple, taking only about 15 minutes with the clear instructions provided. Kids will learn about electronics and robotics while putting it together, and then they can play with it as a remote control car. With coding cards and lessons, children can easily use all the functions and create their own projects. There are also 3 free apps and mBlock software to enjoy remote control, play programming games, and coding with it. Surprise your kids with this awesome robotics kit and let them discover the secrets of programming and electronics. It's a great gift for any occasion, packaged well and made of metal material. This programmable robot is compatible with many add-on packs. It can connect to over 100 electronic modules and 500 plus parts from the Makeblock platform, and is also compatible with LEGO parts. What we like. The mBot robot kit is an excellent choice for learning electronics, robotics, and computer programming. It's easy to build and comes with rich tutorials for programming. If you like a fun and interactive way to learn coding and robotics, this kit is an ideal choice. What people say. He was definitely into the putting it together, and the coding required was perfect for a beginner. It's a very sturdy machine with legit parts for a robot. The parts seem like they are well built. The metal chassis is sturdy and the holes are all aligned properly. Number 1. Thames and Kosmos Mega Cyborg Hand STEM Kit. This amazing kit lets you build a wearable mechanical hand. It's operated by your own fingers, offering a unique and engaging experience. You'll be amazed at how it works. Forget motors and batteries. This hand uses the power of air pressure and water. It's a fantastic way to learn about pneumatic systems in a hands-on way. The hydraulic pistons allow the mechanical fingers to open, close, and grip objects. It can lift things with impressive force. It's a great demonstration of hydraulic power. Every finger joint is adjustable, allowing for precise movement. You can customize it to fit your hand perfectly. This feature makes it incredibly versatile. You can build it as a right hand, left hand, or even a claw-like design. It's adjustable to fit almost any hand size. It's a fun and educational project. Discover how pneumatic and hydraulic systems are used in industrial robots. This kit provides a great introduction to STEM concepts. It's a 2021 Toy of the Year winner. What we like. This Mega Cyborg Hand Kit lets you build a fully functional mechanical hand using hydraulics. It requires no batteries and is adjustable to fit different hand sizes. If you are interested in pneumatic systems and want a hands-on project, you will find this kit fascinating. What people say. The kit provides a fantastic hands-on learning experience, teaching mechanical concepts and the basics of hydraulics in a fun and engaging way. Once assembled, the Cyborg hand is incredibly cool. It fits comfortably, works smoothly, and my son has been having a blast testing its capabilities, like picking up objects or pretending he's a robot. The fact that it's adjustable for different hand sizes means he'll be able to use it for a long time. Fun to build, if you're into models. Works well once assembled. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.